What's going on, my wonderful people? Welcome back to Jacory Ninja Channel X. In today's video, I got a new model train, and I need scissors. So this model train is a rock locomotive, or rock island. See it. Bought this off eBay. The guy was selling it for 20, untested, and I offered him 15, and he accepted. So yeah, it was a pretty good deal. Alright, here it is. Oh, it looks better than it did in the pictures. And the couplers aren't snapped off. That's always nice. Wheels are a bit dirty. I saw that in the picture. And, ooh, some different power picking up source. Let's go ahead and take it out of the track and try it out. Alright, we're all set up on the track. And let's see how it does. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. That's pretty good. It's actually really slow. We have a light in there too. It just needs a little bit of love. Alright, so now that we got this thing unboxed, it works. I would much rather it work better. What we're going to do is we're going to oil the drive. Who knows when this thing has been serviced. And the drive, just like any other block would drive. Ooh, I think we can pop the shell off and take a look. I've had some pretty crazy things going on with DCC. So this is supposed to be DC, and we're about to see if it's DCC. It's not. That's good. So since this is a Bachmann, we're going to clean the commutator as well, if possible. It's very bad for your locomotive. Try to get all the axis out of the way. And like normal, these trains have no oil at all. So that's not ever good. Alright, I got the 2 gears done, but this one is the worst. I mean, like, wow. So look at this. That's all hair. Okay, so we got that wheel, and I had a gear. Alright, so the drive is all redone and put back together. Okay, so there we go. Let's hope this repair stays easy. But this commutator, dude, is so bad. It is so dirty. Look at this. This Q-tip's about to become black. Cleaning out the weight. Like, this engine's been neglected. Alright, now we're going to take a fiberglass pencil and clean up the commutator. Alright, so that commutator looks a lot better. Alright, so we got gear going pretty good. Let's screw this back in. Alright, now we're gonna put this back in. This might be fun. It wasn't actually too bad. So we got the drive back together, and we're gonna test it. And it works. That's awesome. So Now I gotta clean the wheels, and I cleaned the commutator, and it sounds like it's running a lot better. And then I think we're pretty much good. So this is a two-wheel drive, I don't know if we say four-wheel drive. This is a two-wheel, I did it again. Alright, so we got this done. We got the front wheels cleaned. Now we gotta do the back. Alright. I think that's all we have to do. So let's put the shell back on and go test it out. Alright, so here we go. We have the rock locomotive on the layout. We're gonna see how it works. Oh yeah, baby. It runs. Woo! Let's take it over to the big layout and put some freight cars on it. Look, we got the rock freight car. I have another one, but it needs fixed. And then the rock train. This thing is just so cool. I've always wanted a rock train like this, and now I have one. And there it goes. It's having a pretty hard time pulling these freight cars. There's only a four-wheel drive engine, but it's getting there. Let's see if it makes it up this hill. Oh no. Well, folks, I really hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. This thing, I've always wanted one. I've always loved the rock paint scheme. And I didn't know they actually made trains until I saw one. I was like, wow. So this thing had a ton of hair in it. And the traction was horrible. But we're going to get new traction tires soon. So thank you all for watching. And make sure to leave a like and subscribe.